everyone, I am Parikshit and welcome to a very exciting session on Unacademy CAT-alyst. In today's session, we are going to solve some advanced level number system questions for the CAT. These are advanced level questions, but I'm going to show you some tips and tricks which you can use to solve these questions in seconds. Remember, a lot of number system questions can be solved using shortcuts. And that's our agenda for today. Shortcuts on solving advanced level number system questions. Let's get started. But before we get started, yes, I must tell you, on your screen are Unacademy learners who have cracked the CAT with flying colors, CAT 2020. I'm very happy to share that we have 100 percentiler in LRDI and then 99.98 was the highest among our students last year. Let's get started with our session for the day. Okay, first question of the day. Okay, now let's take up this question, right? These questions are not very easy to solve. If you have not done number system, don't worry. I'm going to show you tricks and tips wherein you can solve these questions without any prior knowledge. Let's get started. Let's take the first question. X is a natural number such that x to the power 4 plus 2x cube, right? I'm writing down the question, plus 3x square plus 4x plus 36 is divisible by x. Now this entire expression is divisible by x, right? How many values can x assume? Now think about it. Obviously, you are not going to do a hit and trial. If you do a hit and trial, it will take a lot of time. So think about it. Can you simplify this expression? That's gonna be your first step, right? Now think about it. X to the power 4 divided by x will get you x cube. So first term I have divided. What about the second term? 2x cube divided by x will get you 2x square. What about the third term? 3x square divided by x will get you 3x. Plus 4x divided by x will get you 4 plus 36 divided by x. Now think about it. The first 4 terms, if you look at here, these 4 terms, right, they are not dependent on the value of x. Whatever value of x you take, the part inside the bracket will always be divisible. Because x is not there in the denominator any longer. So any value of x you put, it is not going to change your answer. So the only thing that matters to you is the last term. Can you see this? 36 divided by x. You have to take the values of x in such a way such that 36 by x is perfectly divisible. 36 by x is perfectly divisible. Think about it. If the last term becomes divisible by x, the entire expression will be divisible by x. Yes? So can you tell me what are the values of x that you can take such that 36 divided by x becomes an integer? Think about it. These are nothing but factors of x. Yes, these are nothing but factors of x. Will you agree? So what can be the values of x? It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Remember, 36 by 4 is 9. Can it be 5? No. Why? Because 5 is not divisible. 36 divided by 5 comes out to be a fraction. So 5 will not happen. 6 will come. Not 7, not 8. 9 will come. 9 will come next. Which value? 12 will come. Next. 18 will come. And next 36 will come. Will you agree? So how many values can x take such that the entire expression is divisible by x? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are a total of 9 values. It means x can assume 9 values. What's the answer for the first one? 9. What's the answer for the first one? 9. That's your answer. Are you following it? It's very simple. It's very simple that way. Just remember, you got to divide the entire expression. Only 36 by x is left out, right? So what values of x? It's nothing but all the factors of 36 will satisfy this condition. All the factors of 36. How many factors of 36 exist? 9 factors of 36 exist. Hence the answer for the first one is 9. Got this? Yes. Let's go to the second one. Let's go to question number 2. Okay. Let's go to question number 2. Okay. What is the sum of all two-digit numbers which leave a remainder of 6 when divided by 8? Okay. Now think about it. All two-digit numbers which leave a remainder of 6 when divided by 8. What is the first value? What will be the first value? 8 into 1, 8. But you need a remainder of 6. So can I say 8 into 1, 8 plus 6. So can I say the first value will be 14. 14. Correct? What will be the next value? 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 6. Why am I doing a plus 6? Because the remainder got to be 6. So how much will you get? 24. So basically, think about it. 14 divided by 8, remainder is 6. 24 divided by 8, remainder is 6. Next, the difference is 8 now. The difference is 8. Next, 24 plus 8, 32. Next, 32 plus 8, 30. Are you getting it? Are you getting it or not? Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Now think about it. 8 into 1. This is a small correction that you need to do. Why? 14 plus 8. I think we did plus 10. So 14 plus 8 is 22. Next, plus 8, 30. Plus 8, 38. Dot. What will be the last term? What will be the last term? 8 into 11, 88. 8 into 11, 88. You need a remainder of 6. So 88 plus 6 will get you 94. Will get you 94. So if you are able to visualize, it's very easy to visualize. How will you visualize? The first term is 8 into 1 plus 6. 8 into 1 plus 6. What's the second term? 8 into 2 plus 6. Are you getting it? Likewise, what is the last term? 8 into 11 plus 6. 8 into 11 plus 6. So it's very easy. And they are saying all two-digit numbers. The next term will not be there because it will be a three-digit number. Think about it. 8 into 12 is 96. 96 plus 6 will become 102. 102 is a three-digit number. So you can't take that, right? So obviously the last number will be 94. Now think about it. Every time the difference between any two terms is 8. Every time 14 and 22 difference is 8. 22 and 30 difference is 8. Now because the difference is 8 in every case, can I say this is nothing but an arithmetic progression? Right? How do you find out the sum of an AP? Sum of an AP is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula that you can use. This is one formula. Or the other formula is sum of an AP is also equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. What is A? A is the first term. What is L? L is the last term. I think this is an easier one. A short formula. I think it will be easier if you use this. How many terms are there? Remember you started with 8 into 1 plus 6. So this is the first term. And you ended with 8 into 11 plus 6. So there are 11 terms. 8 into 1 plus 6 first term and 8 into 11 plus 6 last term. So basically there are 11 terms. So n is 11. 11 by 2 first term which is 14, last term which is 94. So how much you get? 11 by 2 into 108. 108. So 2 ones are 2 54s are. So 54 into 11 comes out to be 594 and that's your answer. And that's your answer. This is CAT 2012 question. Any doubt? Any doubt? See, I think it's very easy provided you do it logically. Very, very, very easy. And these are, mind you, not easy questions. Not easy questions. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to question number 3. Okay. This is from CAT 2018. CAT 2018. Correct? Okay. How the smallest integer n for which 4 to the power n greater than 17 to the power 19 wholes is closest to. Now think about it. 4 to the power n should be greater than 17 to the power 19. Yes? Now think about it. Hello, yeah, I see some of you paying me on YouTube live comments. Hello, good morning. 4 to the power n greater than 17 to the power 19. Okay, what is the smallest value of n? Now think about it. I think the easiest way of solving it is making the base equal. What is the base? The base in both the cases is, in one case the base is 4 and in the second case the base is 17. Can you make the base equal? 4 probably you cannot make it 17, but the nearest you can get to 17 is 16. Nearest you can get to 17 is 16. So can I write 4 to the power n as 4 square 16? And remember, if you write a square here, you will got to divide also. So that 2 and 2 cancels out and you still have 4 to the power n, right? So this would be greater than 17 to the power 19. Correct? So how much will this become? 16. 4 square is 16. 16 to the power n by 2 greater than 17 to the power 19. Now think about it. Now think about it. Now think about it. If, okay, I'm writing if you put n is equal to, if you put n is equal to 38, n is equal to 38, how much will it become? How much will it become? 38 by 2. 38 by 2. So 38 by 2 is 19. 16 to the power 19 will not be greater than 17 to the power 19. Will you agree? If n is equal to 38, 38 by 2 is 19 and 16 to the power 19 is not greater than 17 to the power 19. It means n is equal to 35. N is equal to 38 will not satisfy, but the next number just greater than 38 will satisfy. What is the answer? What is the answer? So 38 will not satisfy. Obviously, you'll have to take the next number. The next number is 39 and that's going to be your answer. And that's going to be your answer. Got it? See, CAT questions, difficult ones. But if you know the logic, these are super easy. Yes? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Are we okay? Perfect. Let's go to number 4. Let's go to question number 4. Let's go to question number 4. Okay? Yes. How many 2-digit numbers with a non-zero digit in the units place are there which are more than thrice the number formed by interchanging the position of the digits? Okay. Now 2-digit numbers, think about it. Let's say original 2-digit number, let's say be 10x plus y, 10x plus y. So if you are imagining the original 2-digit number is xy, so how will you write 10x plus y? What is the reverse 2-digit number? The reverse 2-digit number is yx, yx. How do you write it? How do you write it? Remember, y is in the tens place. So we'll say 10 into y plus x. This is the reverse number. This is the reverse number. Now the question is saying how many 2-digit numbers with a non-zero digit in the units place are there which are more than thrice the number formed by interchanging the position of its digits. So basically more than thrice. So can you say original number should be greater than 3 times the reverse number? Are you getting it? Again, think about it. Think about it. 2-digit numbers are there which are more than thrice the number formed by interchanging the position of its digits. Meaning original should be greater than 3 times the reverse. What is the original number? 10x plus y. What is the reverse number? Should be greater than 3 times 10y plus x. Right? Please expand it. 10x plus y should be greater than 30y plus 3x. Or can I say 7x should be greater than 29y, or x should be greater than 4.1y. X should be greater than 4.1y. Are you following? X should be greater than 4.1y. Correct? Now think about it. Now think about it. Let's start assuming. Let's start putting it. Okay? X, y. So if y cannot be 0, right? It's a 2-digit number. If y is 0, x will also be. So let's not take x as, in that case, what other, remember, non-zero. They are saying non-zero. So obviously y cannot be 0. So the minimum value of y is 1. If you put y as 1, what will happen to x? X will be greater than 4.1 into 1, which is 4.1. So x should be greater than 4.1. So what are the possible values of x? X can be greater than 4.1. Remember, x is an integer, not a fraction. So x can be 5, x can be 6, x can be 7, x can be 8, x can be 9. Right? So if y is 1, you get 5 scenarios. What? X5, x6, x7, x8, x9. So how many numbers are possible? 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. are the 5 numbers which satisfy the given criteria, That's scenario 1. That's scenario 1. What about scenario 2? X, Y. What can be the next value of y? Can y be 2? Yes. If you put y as 2 in the equation, you know what? X will be greater than 4.1 into 2, which is 8.2. X will be greater than 8.2. So what are the values of x greater than 8.2? X will be 9. X will be 9. So one power value. Why can x not be 10? Because remember, x and y are single digits. X and y are single digits. So x cannot be a double digit number. It cannot be 10. It's a 2-digit number, right? So x is 1 digit, y is 1 digit. So here you get one scenario. Can y be 3? Can y be 3? No. Why? Because if you put y is 3, in that case x will be greater than 4.1 into 3, which is 12.3. 12.3. But x cannot be greater than 12.3 for the simple reason that x is a single digit number. So y cannot be 3. So there are two scenarios. So it can either be 5 plus 1, 5 or 1. So answer is 5 plus 1. How many numbers exist? 6 numbers. Which are the numbers? 51, 61, 71, 81, 91 and 92. So what's your answer for the fourth one? 6. Are you following? Are you following? It's a pretty easy one if you do it logically. Yes? Okay, I think, okay, so you get a sense, right? The kind of questions that are being asked in the CAT from number system. Now, I must tell you how I teach a lot of students, several hundreds of them follow me on Unacademy. Now in YouTube, what you get to see is a portion of what I teach in Unacademy, right? So in Unacademy, what you have is the Quants syllabus on the left hand side. And on the right, you have the number of live hours of classes that I take per chapter. So I have given you. So basically, let's say you talk about number system. If you come to Unacademy, I'll be teaching number system for 19 hours. 19 hours. Let's take another chapter. Let's say simple interest, compound interest, installments will be done for 6 hours. So how many hours is mentioned here? Now, if you want exhaustive A to Z preparation of your CAT, Quants and DILR, I think the best place to go to is your Unacademy Plus. You can subscribe to Unacademy Plus using the code Parikshit Live. Using the code Parikshit Live, right? If you use the code Parikshit Live, you will get 10% discount on the subscription fee. You will get 10% discount on the subscription fee. Remember to use the code Parikshit Live. And also, if you use the code Parikshit Live, you get free mentorship. Free mentorship till the time you are there with Unacademy. When I say mentorship, it's going beyond and above your core classes. It's helping you prepare your schedule, clarifying your doubts, helping you beyond the class hours. And there are a lot of new courses which I have just started on Unacademy. A lot of new courses which have just started on Unacademy. A complete course on algebra we just started on Unacademy. A complete course on algebra. It's gonna be an 80-hour course, Monday to Friday, 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. every day. And there is another LRDI course which I have just started every morning, 7:45 to 8:45 weekdays, Monday to Friday. So basically morning LRDI, night Quants. And then you'll be able to see them, view these classes, join me live only if you subscribe to Plus using the code Parikshit Live. Remember, you get A to Z of your preparation. It will be a structured way of preparing A to Z coverage of your syllabus. And yes, a lot of new courses are starting on Unacademy. A lot of new courses are starting on Unacademy. The 5th of April, a weekday morning batch started. 7th of April, a weekday evening batch starts. And then from the 10th of April, a weekend batch. Again, these batches can be accessed on Unacademy Plus if you join Plus using my code Parikshit Live. And yes, the weekly scholarship test and Ask a Doubt. Ask a Doubt is a super awesome feature. Anytime you have a doubt, just take a picture of the doubt, okay, using your mobile, send it across using your Unacademy app, and then an expert from Unacademy is gonna answer your query. And yes, the price hike, the last 8 days before the prices are increased. It was supposed to be increased from the last week, but then it got postponed, and now the new prices are becoming effective from the 14th of April. So this is your last chance to enroll on Unacademy Plus at the current rates. Remember the left hand side, the most popular subscription is the 12-month subscription. 17,500 is the current price. It's going to be increased by 5,000 rupees to 22,550. But now 17,500, even on that, you can get a discount of 10% of 1750 using the code Parikshit Live. Now, if you use the code Parikshit Live, you will get 10% off, and then you get free mentorship. The free mentorship is available only and only on this particular code Parikshit Live. And remember, if you use this code, doesn't mean you get access to only my classes. No, you will get access to every educator on Unacademy. You will get access to all LRDI, all quants, all verbal courses on Unacademy from any educator. So I think it's the time to enroll and join us for a wonderful and exciting journey, A to Z coverage of your syllabus. Okay, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Until then, stay safe and goodbye.